Hello, I'm Angela Gentile with the Beaver County Office on Aging. I'm at the Chippewa Branch Library with Beaver County Office on Aging, Apprise Health Insurance Counseling volunteer Kathy Miller, who will continue explaining to us about the Medicare Open Enrollment period. Welcome, Kathy.
Thank you.
Is it necessary to renew a current plan if someone doesn't want to change their plan that they currently have?
No, if you're happy with the plan you want and you want to stay on it, then you don't need to do anything. It'll automatically renew. The only exception, if you received a notice in the mail saying that your plan has been discontinued, then at that point you will have to change plans.
Does open enrollment affect those who have Medigap supplement plans?
If you're on a plan that is a Medigap plan, and the other word for that is supplemental, some people switch those two words. So if you're on either a supplemental plan or a Medigap plan, then you don't need to do anything because you cannot change from one Medigap plan to another during this period. The one thing you can do, if you're on a Medigap plan and you want to switch to an Advantage plan, then during the open enrollment, you're allowed to do that.
And what online resources are available if people want to check out information in that manner?
Medicare.gov is a great resource for people. You can find out what the different parts of Medicare are, how they work. You can get a lot of good health information on there. You can learn how to prevent fraud, how you can see your bills and stuff like that. On that site, you can also get to their plan finder, and they've just totally redid plan finder, and it's a very nice venue for people to go on. They can enter their drugs and to see exactly what the cost for their drugs would be, what the cost for the Advantage plans would be, and you're able to compare one plan to another. So Medicare.gov is a great resource.
And what happens if somebody chooses a plan and then finds that they're dissatisfied with that?
There is a new opening that just started last year from January to March. If you choose an Advantage plan and you want to choose another one, you can do it once during that January to March period.
That's good news.
It is.
And tell us, how can Apprise help people?
Apprise is a program that is confidential, so you're working individually with a highly trained counselor that can sit down and go through all your options with you, explain the costs associated with those options, and help you find the plan that best suits you for your budget and your healthcare needs. So that's very important. The other thing, they can do a benefits checkup for you. And a benefits checkup is where they can look to see if there's any other programs that will help you pay your expenses. A lot of seniors have trouble paying for their drugs. So there's a lot of programs out there like extra help that comes from the federal government. Here in Pennsylvania, we have two wonderful programs, that's PACE and PACE-Net, and the great thing about them is you can have higher income levels. So for some people, those programs they will qualify for. They can also check to see if you qualify for Medicaid. So in addition to counseling you, they can also check to see if you're qualified for any of these additional services.
And how can somebody contact the Apprise program?
The phone number for the Beaver County Apprise program is 724-847-2262, and we're located in downtown Beaver Falls at 1020 8th Avenue. And all you need to do is give us a call, and we can set up an appointment for you with a counselor, and they can go over your healthcare needs and help you find the plan that best suits you.
I would like to thank Kathy Miller, Office on Aging Apprise volunteer, for sharing her information about the Medicare Open Enrollment period. These questions and answers about open enrollment are available in the November issue of the Beaver County Senior News, which is available for pickup at locations all throughout Beaver County. Once they're not available for pickup, you can find this online at www.pittsburghseniornews.com and then click on the icons for the Beaver County Senior News. I'm Angela Gentile, the Beaver County Office on Aging. Stay tuned for more YouTube videos on aging issues.